We've all seen the big exchanges, but there is a reason some of the most serious players in the space are quietly moving their capital over to Zoomex. It was built by the core teams from the world's top-tier platforms who decided to strip away the noise and focus entirely on high-level derivative trading. That being said, guys, if you have been looking for the one place where the pros are actually trading every major asset, you need to see what is happening behind the scenes here. Welcome back, guys. This is your host Anna, and we are diving into Zoomex. This massive platform was built by a team from the world's biggest exchanges who wanted to create something faster and easier to use. Whether you're buying on the spot market or using copy trading, the whole setup is pro level without the usual glitches. On top of this, guys, they're also the official partner of the F1 team, bringing that same focus on speed from the track to their trading engine. This ensures your trades stay instant and reliable no matter how volatile the market gets. Basically, guys, you get a clean tap-to-trade experience that lets you move your capital the second you see an opportunity. Now, it's one thing to have a lot of features, but it's a whole nother thing to have the horsepower to back it up. Zoomex is currently sitting at over 3 million users across 35 countries with more than 590 perpetual contracts available to trade. But honestly, the number that actually matters is their latency, because we are talking under 10 milliseconds, guys. In a market that moves this fast, that kind of speed is the difference between catching a perfect entry or getting left behind. And the very reason they've managed to scale like this is because they actually stick to a user-first mentality. Instead of just pushing a product, they're listening to what traders actually need to stay profitable. They've built a whole platform on a foundation of top-tier security to keep your assets safe, but they've also made it flexible enough for anyone. When you're actually ready to trade, Zoomex gives you a few different ways to play the market depending on your style. That being said, if you're into leverage, their contract trading is the backbone of this entire platform. You can go long or short on over 300 different tokens using either USDT or the coins themselves as collateral, and because the liquidity is so deep, you do not have to worry about the fees eating your lunch. And if you're more about building a long-term bag, they've got a massive spot market where you can hunt for early entries on promising tokens before they go mainstream. And look, if you're busy or just starting out, they have a copy trading feature that is basically a cheat code. You can follow the exact moves of pro traders with one click and let their expertise grow your portfolio while you sleep. To go even further, they have even built out a savings section for those times you just want your idle crypto to work for you. It's flexible, so you can deposit or withdraw whenever you want while earning a steady return on your holdings. And on top of this, guys, if you ever need a quick boost, they have a capital increase service that is honestly impressive. It's instant, requires no collateral, and the interest rate are way below the industry average. That being said, guys, getting your capital onto the platform is actually a lot simpler than most people think. Once you are in your account, you just head over to the Assets or Deposit tab. Zoomex supports direct crypto transfers, so you just pick the coin you want to move, like USDT or BTC, and grab your unique deposit address. And if you don't have crypto yet, you can always use their Express Buy feature to grab some using a credit card or bank transfer. The system is built to be fast, so as soon as the network confirms the transaction, your balance updates and you're fully ready to move. And when it comes to actually making a move, the interface, as I said, is built for instant speed. You just head to the derivatives or market section and pick the pair you want to trade. And from there, it is a simple three-step process. 1. You choose your leverage. 2. You set your order type, like a limit or market order. And 3. You then decide if you're going long or short. You will see a clear breakdown of your position and potential profit before you hit confirm, which is a major plus, guys. And once you're live, you can track literally everything in real time right at the bottom of your screen, which is making it easy to adjust your stops or take profits the second the market gives you a signal. That being said, guys, if you have not joined the ecosystem yet, now is honestly the best time to do it. As you can see, Zoomex is currently running some massive welcome campaigns where you can claim a deposit bonus just for getting started. We're talking about a tiered reward system where the more you deposit and trade, the more bonus capital they drop into your account. This goes up to $25,000 for high volume traders. Click the link in my description, grab your sign up bonus, and join the current trading competition before the reward pool hits its limit. As you can see, guys, it only takes a minute to set up, and it's the easiest way to start with some extra cushion in your accounts. Good luck with your trades, stay sharp, and I will see you in the next one.